check for doodle shit. Boy, sippin' liquor in your hood. What the fuck is up, you buttercup? What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Sippin' Liquor in Your Hood. Today we've got Black Velvet. Let's see if it'll focus, actually. There's a glare there. Blended caramel whiskey. Yes, Canadian whiskey. What the fuck? Canadian whiskey. I was sipping on some of this the other day, and it's just fucking whiskey, dude. Now, how does it smell? Kind of makes me want to gag smelling it, to be honest with you. It smells like diesel times like 5. You just get like a strong fuel scent to it. And it is good stuff, though. Let's give this a pour. I mean, it's good. You know, it's whiskey. It'll get you drunk. Won't say goodnight to you. Won't kiss you when you come home from work. And it might, just might, sleep with your best friend. That's what whiskey does. And then, when he or she don't call you back in the fucking morning because you were absolutely trashed, you can go cry about it. Man. It's like drinking fuel. Like, if you've ever been ballsy enough to chug a gallon of gasoline, or just maybe like a shot of gasoline, I'd wager it tastes very similar to this. This Black Velvet imported Canadian whiskey. However, gasoline undertones aside, it is pretty good whiskey. I could fathom drinking this with maybe some cola, some Sprite. Yeah, I could fuck with that. Let's do another shot. Now, I also acquired this blueberry ice vaporizer, and it is so fucking good. Like, holy fuck, this is good. Like, I fucking love fruit-flavored vapes. They're among my favorite things to smoke. Now, back in the day, I used to smoke reefer. Don't do that anymore. I literally haven't even had the urge to do so. Let's just leave it at that. Now, this whiskey, it is smooth. It is tasty. However, it is very reminiscent of gasoline. Now, whether you could fuel your car with this, I highly doubt it. Maybe cars made back in the 50s could be fueled by this shit. Maybe. I mean, it's iffy. Modern cars run on fucking petrol. Synthetic shit. Teslas. You got your charging station. Only in California. I just nutted. Didn't feel good, though. That's enough. Now, this stuff, 40% alcohol by volume, 80 proof. It will get you absolutely trashed. Now that I've had 2, it doesn't seem all that smooth, to be honest. Ugh. It's good, though. I've drank worse things. Fucking gin. Gin? That shit is disgusting! Who in their right mind would fucking drink gin? And then the Europeans used to take gin and mix fucking milk with it. And they drink that at the bar and be like, oh, hello, governor. Get a spot of gin with some milk. Let me get a spot of gin. Be a good sport. Fucking gin is the most disgusting, foul-tasting abomination of liquor on this whole planet. I would rather drink Everclear than gin. And we don't talk about Everclear. You want to know why? Fucking grain alcohol, dude. I'll get you fucked up, but not in a good way. You'll be throwing up in the toilet at all hours of the night, trying to contemplate, why the fuck did I drink this? And then when you wake up in the morning with a fatal-ass hangover, wondering where you went wrong in life, you're going to remember it's because of the Everclear, and because you're probably an alcoholic if you're drinking Everclear. I mean, really now. Or unless you're mixing it with something. You can make moonshine out of Everclear. You can. I've tried it maybe once, but just don't drink Everclear. Am I getting through to you? Am I? Thank you for watching. Peace out.